Samuel Saxon, an ICE agent for more than 2 decades, finding himself on the other side of the law, appearing in his Butler County Jail-issued jumpsuit and facing a federal judge today. He was arrested earlier this month after investigators say he attacked a woman he lived with at their apartment in Corryville. According to prosecutors, there is video of the incident, and neighbors were the ones who felt compelled to call 911 because they saw Saxon drag the woman in a chokehold and was yelling. He was charged with assault, strangulation, and domestic violence. The federal indictment says that the ICE agent lied to Homeland Security officials, saying he only had spoken to the victim on the phone the day of the alleged attack. Inside the federal detention hearing, prosecutors walked the court through Saxon's past, outlining a history of run-ins with the police, with domestic violence calls involving him and the same woman dating back to 2020 in San Diego. The couple moved to Cincinnati in the summer of 2024, and prosecutors say since then, Cincinnati police have been called to their apartment 22 times. Back in April, prosecutors say the victim was hospitalized with internal bleeding, broken pelvis, and ligature marks to her neck. A few months later, in July, prosecutors say there was another call to their apartment. That time, the woman had a black eye and a busted lip. Prosecutors added, of the 22 times CPD was called, Saxon never reported those incidents to ICE. In the end, the federal judge ordering for his detention, saying Saxon is, quote, violent and volatile, and shows a consistent pattern of domestic violence, where he threatened to kill the woman multiple times.
Now, prosecutors did go on to say that this woman is not a citizen of the United States. Now, after this hearing did wrap up, Saxon was arraigned and he pleaded not guilty. Reporting live at the federal courthouse, Danielle Dindak, WLWT News 5.
Danielle, a lot of details here. Anything else that you learned about this case pertaining to Saxon?
Yeah, just so much. It was almost 2 hours there, Ashley. So we also can tell you that his own ICE supervisor did call him a loose cannon. And also prosecutors say that he got into a fight while he was at the Hamilton County Jail, but his attorney is arguing that he was jumped.
Danielle Dindak live for us tonight. Thanks so much, Danielle.